Hey there, if you're watching this video, you've probably encountered a situation where you're using CMS Load on a project, you have all the attributes installed correctly, but then when you get to the publish page, you have something that looks like this. Now you can see we're on our publish page, we have the pagination set up, I have the next button, and if I go and click the next button, you can notice that the page jumps from page 1 to page 3, then to page 5, then to page 7, then to page 9. And if we go backwards, it goes 7, 5, 3, 1. So it's missing all the even pages and just hitting the odd pages. And if we click on 2, it's going to do the same for the even pages. It's going to jump to 4, and then 6, and then 8. Well, there's a simple reason why that's happening. So let's go back into Designer. So here we are back in Designer. And the reason that's happening is if you look at our page settings, I have the CMS Load script on the page settings, as well as the custom code settings on the overall site settings. So the script is being loaded twice. This is ultimately what's causing that problem. So if I was to remove this from the site settings, save, and then close, and then go and publish, if I scroll down and hit wait for all the pages to load and hit next, it's going to go to page 2, page 3, page 4, and if I go previous, 3, 2, 1. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.